Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix limited access issue in Discord. Alright, so let's begin. To start, open up your browser like Chrome. Any browser will do. Just go ahead and open up. Then search up Discord support. Once your result appears, click on the first result. Then open up the official support page. Once you're there, use the search bar to look for limited access. Then select limited access FAQ option. Once here, scroll down within the page until you find the option that says submit a ticket here and click on it. This will take you to a form where you can submit a request. Fill in your email address, set the subject to something like limited access. In the description, explain that your account currently has limited access. After completing the form, click on submit button. Once submitted, your request will be sent to the Discord support for review. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix limited access issue in Discord. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.